Here we have Jesse of Autosparkle. Great to have you, Jesse.
Hi,
now,
mate.
Jesse,
Thanks,
of course, was here on our SME segment, and they are doing a wonderful job. These are the guys, Autosparkle. Now, we spoke about it then. Today, they are going to do a live demonstration of what they do, right, Jesse?
Yeah,
So, what are we
yeah.
doing today?
Okay, today basically what we want to do is to deal with some dirt, accumulated sand on the floor. We're going to vacuum them,
Okay.
and there are some stains on the roof as well.
Okay.
We're going to
Okay,
deal with the
I hope we
stains,
can see
in a
that
waterless
now.
way.
Yes,
Yeah,
we can see the stain on the roof also, and then we can see the floors also.
really
Yeah.
dusty
Exactly.
and sandy.
Exactly.
So,
Okay, we can see the dashboard, and then can we see the floors also? Let's take a look at the floors now.
Yeah.
Also, because
you
just
can-
before they start, we'll look at the floors exactly, so we know
so
that.
you can get the mat off
Okay,
to show the
Okay, so
exact floor
let's get the
itself.
mat off. Let's get the mat off so we can see the entire floor. Now, what is going to happen is that while this process is going on, we're talking about it, and I'm going to show you the before and the after of what it looks like to have your car auto sparkled.
Yes.
Right, that's the idea.
So just
yeah,
part
okay.
of
So let's
it.
go. Let's start with it. Now, why should one check out and want to clean his or her car regularly?
Okay, so the thing is, when you for us, we see a car as an investment, as an asset. So you don't want the value to depreciate so fast. So
Okay.
the best approach to make that happen is to ensure that you professionally take care of it. Now, when your car is being professionally taken care of, you have the opportunity to enjoy it in a new state for a longer time.
a longer period.
Yes.
Wonderful, wonderful. Now, how often should someone do this kind of maintenance on the car?
Okay, so what we usually advise is, now it's very easy and fast for sand to build up in your on the floors of the car and in corners of seats as well. That happens on a weekly basis because you
Enter
go
in
in
and
and come out.
Exactly.
For that part, vacuuming is something that you be meant to do every week. You
Every week.
understand? Yeah,
Every
but
week.
general detailing that has to do with thorough cleaning of stains, restoring the surfaces and polishing, protecting them, that can happen once in 3 months.
Once in 3
Yes,
months, right?
yes.
Now, if you don't, let's look at it now. If you don't vacuum every week, over time, what damage can you cause to your car? What could happen?
Okay, first of all, the color of your floor is going to change. Yes.
Oh, now that's
Yeah.
one. The
Yeah.
color.
Yeah. Secondly, the sand and dirt, they will stay or they will stick inside the materials of the floor. So it begins to cake.
I've seen
Yes.
that also. I've
You-
seen that
you-
also.
you-
As you can see now, they are vacuuming the floor, and there's already a difference, and especially when it's a black floor.
Yeah.
And then after a while, you start seeing that it affects the
Change,
surface and all of
yeah,
that. Like
yeah.
you said, it cakes, right?
Yes, it cakes, and then you begin to see the materials, the fibers begin to chop off.
You're right.
Yes,
You're
yes,
right.
they
They're
begin
made of
to chop
fiber
off.
and they begin to chop off.
Yes.
So as much as possible, you should often do this kind of thing.
Yes.
But now, for people who might say maybe they might not be able to drive to where they are now, but you also offer home services. That means it's something
That's
people can-
actually a primary model.
Primary
so
model,
far.
okay.
So we go to one of our core principles is convenience.
Okay.
So what we do is you tell us where you are. We'll come to you. So far up until now, our coverage area has been on the island. You give us a call. We'll come to your house or to your office as
All
you
right.
choose. So that way you don't have to repark your car. You don't have to drive out. Just anywhere your car is, we can work right
That
there.
can be done. All right, so you know what happens now? While we're doing this, you might not be able to see it, but at the end of the show, we'll probably just show you what it looks like. You saw how it was before we started. They're still working on it. At the end, we'll show you how it looks like. But then Autosparkle, Jay said, that's it, man. Thank you very much. We'll show them how it looks like at the end. Let's take a break now. We're still here as Wake Up Nigeria. Don't go nowhere. Jesse, all right, so let's just have a run through what we did, and this is actually looking very nice. So just tell us what we did here.
Okay, so you can see the floors now. The floor actually looks blacker. It comes back to the way it was.
It is
originally.
confirmed black, original.
Yeah,
Yeah, it does.
That is one. Then
It does.
There were some stains right here on the roof.
Okay.
I can't find them anymore.
In fact, I'm
Yes,
trying hard. I can't see them.
Yes, so
All right.
that is
Good,
part of
wonderful. And then I also noticed that some parts of the chairs also that had some this thing. They're no longer there and all of that.
in the edges.
So basically, that's what it means. Because I know a lot of us take care of our exterior almost every day. We want to put water on what you can, but then interior is also as important.
Yeah. This is one of the things that inspired us. when we started out, we used to do interior and exterior, but we discovered that our customers actually value the interior more because we spent more time on it as opposed to what they would get at a regular car wash. Regular car wash is want to rush over your car to do the next one, but we pay attention. It's a personalized service.
I like that.
You know,
paying attention,
yes,
taking time.
to
How
the
do we hit
detail.
you up on social media? Let's know your social media handles.
All right, so we are at My Autosparkle across social media. Same thing with our website, myautosparkle.com.
Autosparkle.
My Autosparkle.
My Autosparkle.
Yes.
So anywhere, once you can get My Autosparkle, you can, hit you up and send you a message, of course.
Yes.
Instagram.
You on our Instagram page, you get our direct WhatsApp link as well.
Okay.
Chat us up.
Okay,
Both,
wonderful.
you know.
So go on their Instagram page. You can hear up their WhatsApp link, and your car can be looking as fresh and as new as this car. Thank you very much, Jesse, of Autosparkle.
Pleasure, man.
We still have
Thanks for
Jesse. We
having
have
us.
2 or more. We'll talk about leather seats. There's also a lot you will do in the coming weeks. You don't want to miss our auto segment with Autosparkle.